Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to publish a blog on Squarespace. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Squarespace website right here, squarespace.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page of the website where you want to go ahead and log into your account. So go ahead and log into your Squarespace account where your website is, and this will be greeted by the dashboard where you can find our websites. So what we want to do is click on the website icon right here. That's going to open up our website right here. Now we can get started with accessing all of the pages. So as you can see here, we have the sections we can access such as pages, styles, assets, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to get started publishing a blog on our website. What we want to do guys is go right here and click the pages section under website. So open up pages, and after opening up pages guys, this will going to go ahead and open up this main page right here. You can find your main navigation and all your pages. As you can see, I have already added a blog, but guys, if you want to add your own blog, what you want to do is click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to add a new page, and what you can do is select the blog section from this story. So as you can see here, from this collection you select blog, and after clicking blog guys, it's going to enable you to start and add a blog. So after adding one of the blogs, you can select one of the templates right here. It's going to open up in your pages as mine right here, and you can open it up, and now this is going to give you a preview of your blog. You can get started posting your blog, adding your images and so on, and after that publishing it to your website. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.